The process with working with the NRCS and SWCD has been a very good one. Any questions that we've had, they've always answered right away, and if we had questions that the particular person that we were working with at the time didn't have an answer to, they were very quick to follow up and find out the answer and get back to us. So all of our questions were answered in a timely fashion. The actual application and the whole process itself, it was very streamlined, it was very simple. They walked us through it from start to finish. There was really never any surprises once we got going into it. We kind of knew up front what we were getting into, and they helped us every step of the way. And both of those offices are very simple to work with, and a lot of the paperwork and a lot of the questions and the help, they're pulling resources from both agencies to help us out and to get us the answers we need.